Hello students, welcome to our Take on Course HackerRank Java series. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Java standard input and standard output 1 problem. So I am skipping all this stuff. Let's get back to our task. So let's understand what is the problem or a task. In this challenge, you must read three integers from standard input and print them to the standard output. Each integers must be printed on a new line. So this task tells that we have to accept three integers from the user, and that input must be displayed as an output without making any changes. So let's start our coding. First and foremost thing is import java.util.scanner. Okay, so here I am importing the packages in a Java. So what do you mean by packages? Packages you can just imagine as a classes which are pre-built inside the Java. So I am specifying Java because we are programming in Java, but packages are present in any and every programming languages. So here Java is a main package name. Inside the Java, I am importing the util packages. Inside the util package, I am specifically importing the scanner sub package. If you don't want to import specifically means you can use asterisk. Asterisk specifies that you are importing every sub packages which are present inside the util. So next we are creating the classes. Class keyword, class name, it can be anything. So next is main thing, psvm public static void main, void main string arguments. So let's try to understand the keywords here. So public, private, protected, or the access specifiers, which tells us the visibility of the it may be classes, functions, or variables, etc. So here the public states that this main function is accessible everywhere. Okay. Next, static keyword is used because we are calling the main function without creating any objects. Next, void. Void keyword is used because it is telling that the main function does not return any value. Okay. Next, main is a function name which you can't change. So why this main function is used means we can assume it as a starting point of our program, of any program. So that's why main function is that much important. So here the string arguments or the parameters which accepts the arguments when we are giving the input through the command line. Okay, and got it. So next, scanner sc equals new scanner system dot n semicolon is must. So here we are creating an object. So what is scanner? Scanner is nothing but a class, okay, which we have imported from the starting line. Okay, so why scanner is needed as of now, just imagine to get the input from the users. So this is a class name, and here the sc is a object name. So we are creating an object for a scanner. So you can give any, you can take any object name. I took scan sc. You can take object obj one, etc. So equals new keyword is used to create a object. Next, scanner, it is a constructor. As you know, constructor name and the class name must be always be same. So here inside the constructor I am specifying the system dot in because we are performing the input operation. So next, here they have specified that the input, three inputs, three integers. So that's why I'm taking the int data type a, int b. You can take any variables c. Okay. Here next, I want to accept the input from the users. So that's why I'm using the sc. Sc is nothing but the object which we have created in the previous line. Next int. Next int because we are accepting the input in the form of integer. Okay. So same code, sorry, same function. So here we are successfully accepted the input. Okay, first step is done. Now we have to display it as it is. So to display, we will use system.out.println. This function is used, this is a built-in function which is used to display the output to the user. So I am specifying directly a variable. So if you want, you can also use string in it, but they are asking the sample output must be same as the sample input. So I am changing the variables. So that's it. Our code is ready. Now let's run. Okay, we have successfully passed. So stay tuned for the next video. Namaste.